Hello there, my name is James, and I'm here to bring you a Dark Souls video. As I promised on my Twitter, I plan on doing the Dark Souls playthrough. As you can probably see, I've played a couple times before, but alas, I've never completed it. So I'm just going to go ahead and make this. Let's call them Reverend. In honour of our witch doctor, I want to make them a wanderer because I like their general thing. And it's a callback to my old YouTube channel where I was called Jimitar Skimitar, although it may be pronounced Scimitar. Take the master key. I want to be very slim. I'm not sure if it actually does anything, but if it does, then it'll make us have a smaller hitbox, which is good. Scholar. I'm not sure about the hair. It's a good ponytail, actually, as that's what I do. Then colour. Is this eye colour? No, it's hair colour. Black, obviously. And let us accept. I think I'm gonna have. Yeah.
In the age of.
I'm gonna cut these out because it's an old game, and anyone who doesn't know about them, then you can find them elsewhere on the internet. And there's just the first two cutscenes that I'm gonna have to cut, I believe. And then, well, actually, I might have to cut a lot of the cutscenes. I'm not sure. Anyway. Right. Oh, how do we do this? Oh man, it's been so long. Options. I'm gonna turn the sound down a bit. Voice is good. Music down. Sound down. There we go. Because whilst I'm listening to it in one of my earphones, so it doesn't get caught up on the other stuff as well, it's really loud. Hopefully it won't be too quiet now, and hopefully I can get a good balance going on later on. I can kill them for the souls, I'm not in a hurry or anything. Yeah, this is episode 1. I'm not sure how long it's going to be. Hopefully not too long, because otherwise I won't be able to upload it at all. But yeah, I've got myself a cup of tea, and we're ready to play some Dark Souls. Not only am I newbie to start with, but I'm extra newbie because I haven't played it in months. So this is going to be a newbie McNooberson run. I'm wearing cat ears at the moment because I've got cat things for my drama performance. Oh, my bad. So yeah, I'm wearing cat ears at the moment. I might make that a regular thing during these Dark Souls video recording sessions if they help me out, give me the power. Yeah. I think I might just record until I finish my cup of tea. I might not sure. But yeah, time to dodge this asylum demon. Anyway, I just will ignore that bonfire. Probably not a good idea, but I believe I'm not too newbie that I can probably manage to get past this. Wrong one. No. Down. Oh man. Maybe I can't. Okay. Made it this far. Die! That's right, you run away. Now I just need to equip that. Let's do this. Whoops. I forgot which one was block and which one was parry. My bad. I forgot there were different buttons. I thought that parry would be a tap it, whereas blocks are just hold it. Oh well. I'll go talk to Oscar in a bit. I just want to unlock this gate. Have another rest. You know, just so if I die, I'm not fucked. Woo! Yeah, Dark Souls, love it. I actually do like that it's difficult. But yeah. Sorry, Oscar. Love you. But I can't be bothered to deal with your stuff, especially when later on you're just going to come back to kill me. Whoops, wrong button. That one? That's a button. That's the one I was looking for. Whoops, didn't mean to choke the Estus. It's going to put me behind a little bit on the Asylum Demon fight, but oh well. Oh well indeed. Should be alright. Is it that one? No, that's parry. Okay. Just have to be sure. Oh, you penis of a pygmy. There we go, much better. Backstab. Then I may as well go kill the other guy. Why not? Oh god. This isn't going well. Oh! Thank you. Where are you? Which one's locked? That one? Okay. Oh my god, they got me again. This is not going well. I just backstabbed. I need to practice my parrying. Whew. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna roll. I'm gonna look back on them. There we go. Did they drop anything? No? Okay. First the white light, now I've only got 2 Estus flasks, got a well. Lock on, jump, and there we go. I think my first time I ever tried this, I made the mistake of taking fire bombs rather than the Master's Key. I mean, fire bombs are cool and all, but they did kind of win me this fight, my first fight against him. But, you know, they're not as good as the Master's Key. There we go. May as well chug the Estus. Now then, there's only one way for you to be able to reasonably come through this. You've got to run, you've got to sprint as far up here as you can, and stop, just to make sure you've got enough stuff. There are the crows on the right there, but if you go to the gravestone and then... oh, wrong gravestone, oh well. I usually jump, so the cutscene's more wrong. As it is, I was rolling.
In the ancient legends, it is stated that one day an undead shall be chosen.
Basically, I love that raven, and my favourite character I will hopefully remember to mention when we get to them. But, as it is, we haven't quite got to them. Oh well. Yeah, so here we are, Filing Shrine. I usually kill this guy, just because I'm a dick, but I won't for now. I'm going to rest here. I'm not going to level up yet, because I'm not sure which weapon I want to use. I'm going to leave it for a bit. And I've decided now, this episode will end, provided I don't fail up on that bridge, when I make it to the next bonfire. Excuse me, you there? Oh, that didn't work. Oh god. Oh, don't get killed by one of these guys. That would be embarrassing. I mean, I said I'm bad, but I'm not that bad. Because I'm so bad, I'm not even going to go over there in the distance. You can see it. That drop, which is a ring. I'll go after that later, after I've had some more practice. Oh my god! It sucks so bad! Why wasn't that a backstab though? I'm most upset about that. I might actually need to do a little bit of levelling up. Don't you be landing on me, fool. There we go. Much better. May as well run down here, get that other thing, then go back, kill the rat. Yeah. Anyway, remember back in the early days of this, you know, channel, just over a year ago, I said I was going to do Dark Souls? I was going to do it on my computer? Yeah, well, that didn't happen. And it didn't happen because my computer isn't good enough, and at the time I didn't have any recording software. Now I got some free stuff, so it's alright. But yeah. Okay, these guys. Oh, I really hope they'll stop blocking by then. Right, I don't want to do a dex build, because that's hard mode, and as I said already, I suck at this. But I also do quite enjoy being able to fast roll and stuff. But I don't want to go pure strength, because that's, as far as I'm aware, medium easy mode, with easy mode being sorcery. But I might go easy mode, because sorcery, I like it. And that's the furthest I've ever managed to get, was when I did a sorcery one. Now then, run up here. I had a dream about this part of the game the other day. But, nah, that was weird. Anyway, what I'm going to do, best way to get through this bit, is just run, and come in here, activate that, and then deal with them in here. There we go. Can I rest? I can rest. There we go. Now then, I can get up vitality a little bit, and yeah, that'll do for that. Now then, just so I might actually be able to upload this, I'm going to end this here. I'll see you all on the flip-flop. I hope you've enjoyed. Please like if you have, share, whatever. Feel free to subscribe, let me know if you want more, and I believe I've got time to record at least one more episode before anyone will get home. And so, that's what I'm going to do. I shall now cease this recording in order to do another one. Thank you for watching, and as I said, I'll see you cats on the flip-flop. Goodbye.